Oh, you wait for a moment, love.
No, I'm not
I only
interested.
want to do an introduction.
Don't bother.
Today we're going
Introduction
to mosque. Okay.
We're not going to the
Just
mosque.
a very short introduction because this person beside me, I don't know.
Yeah,
You don't
shut up.
like.
I don't care. I'm not bothered. I'm set up for hearing about
See
it.
you later, guys.
No later. She's seeing herself later.
So, ngayon naman, punta kami sa another part dito sa
In other words, we're going to the supermarket to get some bread to feed the birds in the pond.
Yes,
In the duck
that's
pond.
right. Tama. At saka,
Yeah. We have to make sure it's fresh so the birds don't choke on it. Poor little birdies. You have to get little fresh bread.
yes, so right.
Oh, he doesn't like brown bread, him, does he not? He likes that super soft. You can get him some super soft bread. Shall we get him some chicken? Oh, no, that's cruelty. Chips. We'll get him some chips and fish. Fish and chips. So they don't have to catch them.
Ito pala ang place. Ito pala ang
No, it's not.
no.
It's
Inli.
Yeah, I know, but it's not. And Tupalanga. It's a supermarket. It's a sports shop. Huh?
Yeah. Supermarket. Ito pala ang supermarket dito sa amin. May iba't ibang ano siya. May Aldi, Asda,
Mind that
Sainsbury. Sainsbury. What's that?
Yeah, Sainsbury's.
Yes.
You're right.
Merong Asda dyan. Marami ditong
That's
supermarket.
Tesco's.
So ngayon tapos na kami bumili.
Yeah, that's a
We're
long way to the
going na
Bumbley.
to...
The Bumbley.
Yes.
Flash.
Yeah. No, not flash. It's like a flash.
I said that's where I said a flash.
Oh, flash.
Not a bloody. Oh my God, woman! I said a flash. We're going to the Bumbley. Well, I said I've just seen a flash. Oh, we're not going to the flash. Savior of the universe.
So, ito ngayon ang daanan papunta